get today's video started off, well, first of all, as you guys saw earlier, the car is a little bit down on oil. It's still smoking a little bit. It's definitely a lot better than what it was, but that's beside the point. We'll figure that out later. I'm just kind of sick of that. We are at Alco Tint Shop, and we're gonna have my boy tint the windshield on the Evo 8. What's this piece of poop doing here? It looks so weird now with no wrap.
Yeah, it's naked.
Yeah, looks good. What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
So this is the car that we've done a few different videos on. It was like a, what would you call that wrap? A color shift wrap? And they are changing it up now, and it's actually kind of crazy because when they're peeling the wrap off, it took some of the clear coat off. So this is probably resprayed then, huh?
Yeah, because this usually doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Like, look, it didn't peel anywhere else.
Yeah. So is it just the front bumper that happened?
Yeah. So and then a little part of the rear bumper. But yeah, this usually doesn't happen.
That's crazy.
And it's not the paint; it's just a clear coat.
Yeah, you can kind of tell. It looks like it's been sprayed. So when's the first upload going up?
In a day or two.
Day or two. This car will be up on the channel, on Alex's channel. I'll have it up in the top right hand corner. Cannot talk today. Haven't had my coffee yet, bro.
Yeah.
That's gonna be sick though. I'm excited to see it done.
Dude, that smells like burnt Evo.
She too built, bro. She built. So you gotta take off that one that we have on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she scrapes. That's so much better, bro. Looks really good. Sick. Appreciate it. That's pretty much the last thing we needed to do, like looks-wise, on the Evo 8 for a while. I am kind of debating doing a wrap. It's crazy to say, but I'm kind of getting sick, or just bored of the black, I guess. It does look good though. Alright guys, on to the main point of today's video. We're waiting on Bobby to show up here at Elko right now, and then we're gonna head out to the frame shop, get a little update on the STi for you guys. I don't even know if they've started on it yet or what's going on, but yeah, we're gonna go check out the STi and see about cutting apart that frame.
Our car's clean, I like it.
Yeah, that's good. Did you do that?
Yes.
Pretty neat. What do you think?
What is that thing?
What is it?
Yeah.
It's like a bowler. That thing is warped.
I would hurt myself if I tried to do that.
So the inner piece is gonna go this way.
Okay.
We have enough room to all the way to the line right here. So it's gonna be overlap 4 inches.
Perfect. Make it
Yeah.
probably make it sunny that way too.
Oh yeah, it's gonna, because you cannot cut it one side and the other side.
But
is all
both,
same.
yeah. Makes sense.
So that side is gonna be 4 inches too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna straighten it up that side. It's gonna be like that.
Okay.
Maybe I wanna just throw away. I just still think.
Pretty crazy. Just cutting her apart.
Kind of sad.
A little sad.
I gotta go potty.
My Evo 8 is currently only on 12 PSI of boost because we've been dealing with the oil issue, the smoking issue. I'm wondering if you want to race me on 12 PSI in your Evos on 29 or 30. You think you're gonna lose still?
No, I know I'm gonna win either way.
Just a little race. Just a little itty bitty race. If you don't win, then that means Evo 8s are cooler than Evo 10s. So on the way down to Mexico, my check engine light decided to pop on. But we're still gonna send it though. This thing's only literally like on 12 PSI. And it's gonna stay that way until we figure out what the hell is going on with this oil burning issue. You want the gap? I gave it to you. check my oil. So we have 200 miles on this setup, I guess you could say, especially since I topped off the oil, and we're gonna check the oil real quick and see how far it's down.
You baby.
Oh lordy,
it's so low.
Safe to say we have an oil burning issue. I'm just really tempted to pull out my engine right now.
Like right here.
I could get this whole motor, since I've done it so many times, I could literally get this motor and tranny out of this car within 1 hour. You think you're fast, huh?
I'm pretty fast.
No tick, no tick. That's fun. My car is on, like, you know, not running its best. How much smoke was it burning?
Oh my gosh.
Was it a lot?
Yeah.
I really hope you enjoyed the update on the STi. And of course, if you need any tinting work done, any wrapping work done, if you need a friend to hang out with, go hit up Aleco. He's pretty fun to hang out with. Thank you guys for watching the video. Peace out. I'll see you, I don't know when I'm uploading next, but hopefully tomorrow. Was that a fart?
On the back.